In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a brokerage statement in QuickBooks. If you track investments or brokerage activity in QuickBooks, it's important to reconcile that account regularly so your books match your statement exactly. This helps you catch missing entries, miscategorize transactions, and balance issues before they turn into bigger accounting problems. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up the account, enter the statement activity correctly, and complete the reconciliation process from start to finish. First, set up the brokerage account in QuickBooks. Go to Accounting, then open Chart of Accounts and click New to create an account. For the account type, choose Bank or Other Current Assets, depending on how you want to classify it in your books. Then set the detail type to Investment Account. Give the account a clear name that will be easy to recognize later, such as a brokerage account label that matches the institution. Enter the current balance so QuickBooks has the correct starting point. This is important because an incorrect opening balance can create problems when you begin reconciling. Next, enter the brokerage transactions from your statement. Brokerage statements usually include several different transaction types, and each one should be categorized properly. For purchases and sales, record them as journal entries or as individual expenses and deposits, depending on your workflow. Make sure the investment account is debited or credited correctly and tied to the proper stock or asset equity accounts. For dividends and interest, enter them as deposits and categorize them under investment income or dividend income. If the statement includes brokerage fees, record those as expense transactions and categorize them under bank fees or investment expenses. Taking the time to enter each type accurately will make reconciliation much smoother. Once the account and transactions are in place, begin the reconciliation. Open the gear icon and click Reconcile, or go to Accounting and then Reconcile. From the Account drop-down, choose the brokerage account you just created. Check that the beginning balance matches the opening balance shown on your statement. Then enter the ending balance and ending date exactly as they appear on the physical or PDF brokerage statement. Accuracy here matters because even a small date or amount error can prevent the account from balancing. Now start reconciling and match the transactions. Select Start Reconciling to open the matching screen. Compare the transactions in QuickBooks against the brokerage statement line by line. Click the checkbox beside each item that matches, including deposits, trades, and fees. Continue clearing transactions until the difference shown at the top reaches exactly 0.000. That zero difference confirms QuickBooks and the statement are fully aligned. When the difference is 0.000, click Finish Now, then click Done to complete the reconciliation. If you need documentation later, you can return to your reconciliation reports at any time for your records.